is going on in my heart as it turned as cold as stone. It seems these days I don't feel anything unless it cuts me right down to the bone. What on earth is going on in my heart?